Modern farmhouse style combines the warmth and charm of rustic decor with the clean lines and sophistication of contemporary design. When applied to a bathroom, this blend creates a space that feels inviting, functional, and effortlessly chic. With a mix of natural materials, neutral color palettes, and timeless accents, a modern farmhouse bathroom is both stylish and practical. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or simply refreshing the decor, this guide explores ideas to bring the modern farmhouse aesthetic into your space. The foundation of a modern farmhouse bathroom is its color palette. Neutral tones such as whites, grays, taupes, and beiges dominate this style, creating a soothing and timeless backdrop. These soft hues make the space feel bright and open while providing a neutral canvas for layering textures and accents. To add depth and interest, incorporate natural textures into your design. Shiplap walls or beadboard paneling are quintessential farmhouse elements that lend a rustic charm. Pair these with sleek, modern finishes like smooth tiles or polished concrete for a balanced look. Consider using natural wood accents, such as a wooden vanity, floating shelves, or framed mirrors. Weathered or reclaimed wood adds warmth and character, contrasting beautifully with the sleekness of modern materials. For a cohesive feel, keep the wood tones light to medium, complementing the neutral palette. Tiles are another great way to introduce texture. Subway tiles with a glossy finish or hexagonal tiles in a matte tone bring a modern edge to the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. You can use these for the shower, backsplash, or even flooring to create visual interest and tie the room together. If these modern farmhouse bathroom ideas inspired you to create a cozy and stylish space, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves this timeless look. The right fixtures and hardware are key to achieving the modern farmhouse look in your bathroom. Opt for timeless designs with a touch of rustic charm. Matte black or oil-rubbed bronze finishes work beautifully for faucets, shower heads, and cabinet pulls, adding a bold yet understated contrast to the neutral palette. Farmhouse-style sinks, such as apron front or vessel sinks, are a staple in this aesthetic. Pair them with wall-mounted or bridge-style faucets for a vintage-inspired touch. If you prefer a more contemporary look, choose sleek undermount sinks with a simple, clean-lined faucet to maintain the modern farmhouse balance. For lighting, sconces with industrial or barn-style designs are an excellent choice. Lantern-style pendants or cage lights also add an authentic farmhouse feel. Place them strategically near mirrors or vanities for both functionality and style. Towel bars, hooks, and shelves made of metal or wood can serve as both decorative and practical elements. For an added farmhouse vibe, consider using sliding barn door hardware for the bathroom door or shower enclosure. What's your favorite modern farmhouse bathroom feature? Shiplap walls, rustic vanities, or vintage accents? Let me know in the comments. Creating natural materials is essential to creating a modern farmhouse bathroom. Wooden elements, stone accents, and woven textures bring warmth and organic beauty to the space. Use stone or slate for countertops or flooring to add a touch of rugged elegance. Accessories are where you can have fun with the farmhouse theme. Wicker baskets, galvanized metal buckets, and ceramic jars are excellent for storage and decor. These elements keep the space organized while enhancing the rustic charm. Linens are another opportunity to add texture and warmth. Choose soft, neutral-colored towels and rugs, perhaps with subtle patterns like stripes or checks. A woven or jute bath mat can add an earthy touch to the room. Bring greenery into the space with small plants like succulents or ferns. Place them in ceramic or metal pots for a farmhouse feel. Greenery not only enhances the decor but also brings a fresh, lively element to the room. Add subtle farmhouse-inspired decor, such as vintage-style signs, framed botanical prints, or small decorative ladders for hanging towels. These finishing touches tie the room together while maintaining the balance between rustic charm and modern elegance. For more home design inspiration, from modern farmhouse styles to other timeless trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Modern farmhouse bathrooms often prioritize functionality, making the most of the available space. Use vertical storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves, ladder racks, or cabinets to keep items organized without overcrowding the room. Open shelving with wooden planks and metal brackets is both practical and stylish. For a cohesive look, incorporate storage solutions that double as decor. Wire baskets or wooden crates can hold toiletries, towels, or extra toilet paper while adding a rustic touch. A vintage-style vanity with drawers offers plenty of storage while enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Mirrors are essential in any bathroom, and the modern farmhouse style offers plenty of creative options. Choose a mirror with a distressed wood frame, metal accents, or a simple black trim to complement the overall design. Oversized mirrors or double mirrors above a dual vanity can make the space feel larger and more cohesive. Lighting is another way to optimize functionality. Task lighting near the vanity ensures you have ample light for daily routines, while dimmable ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere for unwinding. For smaller bathrooms, using light colors, reflective surfaces, and minimalistic decor can make the space feel larger. Keeping the design simple yet cohesive is key to achieving the modern farmhouse look without overwhelming the room. Explore our modern farmhouse decor playlist for more ideas to bring this warm and inviting style into every corner of your home. A modern farmhouse bathroom is more than just a space for daily routines, it's a sanctuary that combines rustic charm with contemporary elegance. By thoughtfully blending natural materials, clean lines, and warm textures, you can create a space that feels inviting, practical, and effortlessly stylish. It's a design that balances simplicity and sophistication, offering a timeless appeal that makes your bathroom more than functional. It makes it a pleasure to use. The key to a modern farmhouse bathroom is the seamless integration of old and new. Vintage-inspired touches, such as shiplap walls or a reclaimed wood vanity, evoke a sense of nostalgia and charm, while modern fixtures and finishes bring in a sleek, updated feel. This contrast is what makes the modern farmhouse aesthetic so captivating. It's a space that honors tradition while embracing modern design principles. Natural materials are the cornerstone of this style. From wooden elements and stone countertops to woven baskets and metal accents, these organic touches bring warmth and authenticity to the space. They ground the design in earthy tones and textures, creating a bathroom that feels connected to nature and the comfort of home. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic. Whether it's barn-style sconces, lantern pendants, or caged ceiling lights, the right fixtures not only provide functionality but also add character to the room. Layering lighting, task, ambient, and decorative ensures that the space is well lit while creating a cozy atmosphere. Color is another vital element of modern farmhouse design. Neutral tones dominate the palette, offering a clean and serene backdrop. Love the decor featured in this video? Find links to all the products and materials in the description below to start your modern farmhouse transformation. Soft whites, warm grays, and earthy beiges allow the textures and accents to shine, while black or metallic finishes add a bold, contemporary touch. This harmonious blend of colors creates a calming environment that's perfect for unwinding. Practicality is as important as style in a modern farmhouse bathroom. Storage solutions that combine form and function, such as open shelves with metal brackets or wire baskets, help keep the space organized while adding to the overall aesthetic. Every detail, from the layout to the accessories, is designed with both usability and beauty in mind. Small details, like a vintage mirror with a distressed frame, a ceramic soap dispenser, or a set of neatly folded towels, make a big difference in tying the design together. These finishing touches personalize the space, ensuring it feels unique to your home. One of the most appealing aspects of a modern farmhouse bathroom is its adaptability. Whether your space is small or large, you can incorporate this style in a way that suits your needs. A compact bathroom can still feel airy and inviting with the right use of colors, storage, and lighting, while a larger space allows for more elaborate design elements, like a freestanding tub or double vanity. Adding greenery is a simple yet impactful way to bring life into your bathroom. Plants like ferns, snake plants, or small succulents thrive in the humidity of a bathroom and provide a fresh, organic touch. Placed on a windowsill, countertop, or shelf, greenery enhances the room's natural, rustic vibe. The beauty of a modern farmhouse bathroom lies in its ability to feel both timeless and current.